Hey boys, welcome back to some more Bradman Cricket 17 coverage updates, whatever you want to call it. And it's another week. They they usually release an update on Fridays, but Ross or someone from Big Ant tweeted that it was going to be a bit later, so it is Sunday. This got released, Sunday afternoon, Sunday night, and the update isn't huge in terms of gameplay features for the demo. Mainly because they had to work on the fact the stadium creator for a lot of people screwed up. So they unfortunately they couldn't fix all the issues, I don't think, but for most people it should be better, because what was happening, for people that don't know, I think if people created a stadium, those stadiums that they made, they just randomly had like these massive fucking hills just going everywhere, which is just a bug that was in the demo. It's not, it's not a big deal. It's not the final release, but obviously Big Ant, they worked hard trying to fix that and dish out a solution to people's problem pretty quickly. But there is one thing that they did add to the actual demo, and that is the Bat Manager. So I'll just read off what the Bat Manager is. As you see, there is a tab for it here. But the Bat Manager allows you to place logos on a bat and then assign that bat to multiple players. And then the other cool thing about that, any changes you then make to that bat in the Bat Manager will carry through to all players that have been assigned that bat, which is awesome, right? Because it means, like, if you got like heaps of players you want to assign the brand new bat to, you don't have to go through every single player and like change their specific bat type. So let's say after the first season, there's a new bat that comes out with a different name, different colors. If someone goes in, makes the logos, makes that bat, then all you have to do is download that bat, change it in the Bat Manager, and all those players that you originally had for their old bat. So it's pretty much for, if a bat manufacturer upgrades, which they do every year, or updates it. So here's the option here: Bat Manager. Edit bat to create bat, delete bat. So go into create bat. We got all the different types here, obviously. The grip, so on and so forth, manufacturer. Obviously you can put the type of bat in there. The design, all the handle colors, and then the cool stuff here, the bat logo. So, I might make another separate video on this. I think I will make a separate video about the Academy, about logos, about likenesses, all that, because there's still like a fair few questions people ask, and people still ask like, oh, does the consoles get the same stuff, and all, there's a lot of questions about it, so I might just make a whole video dedicated to this. But as you see here, we got just these default logos, and you can, obviously with this, you can go into Logo Creator, create your own logos, so you can make the correct bat. So I'm still waiting for them I really want them to unlock the feature to be able to download people's logos, because that will be coming. It's just not here yet. But let's just put, I don't know, let's put this. You can put the placement, obviously. It's actually I do like this a lot. It's very simple. As I'm struggling to get the thing right, but you put the placement. I haven't actually mucked around with like putting things on it just yet. I can't rotate it, I don't think. I'm not sure. Oh, here we go. There we go. There you go. You can do what you want. You can make, like I said, I haven't gone through the what's it called? Bat. I can't speak. I haven't gone through like making bats and making logos and stuff, because this is the demo, and I'm gonna wait until actually talented people do it and share it to the Academy, so I can, use those, and I encourage everyone else to do the same thing. But you got heaps of logos here, and that's really cool, obviously. And then, with that, where was that actually? Edit the bats. Where was it? Oh, here we go. So you've got obviously when you make the bat, was that in? Just wait a second. So there's a lot of different, geez, you can put a lot of logos. I think once you make the bat, you go out. I think I just deleted it, did I? It does. It doesn't matter. I didn't actually make anything. But then you go to edit bat. Oh no, there it is, right there. So it automatically saves. I was trying to look for an option to like save it, but it obviously just automatically saves, and then apply bat to player, and then you can obviously select all of these, all of the players that are in the game, whichever ones you want. And obviously, you know, these guys are just random players, but it's that simple. Like obviously it will take like a fair bit of time to actually, you know, select all the players you want to assign bats to, but you know, you do it to the main players. You know, you do it to the main teams and all that. If you're really nitpicky, you would do it to like everybody. But yeah, that's the cool thing. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. Like I said, I'm really looking forward to them opening the ability to download logos. So obviously, you got the logo creator. You can actually share logos at the moment. I'm pretty sure you can share them, upload the logo artwork, but you can't actually download them on the Academy as of now. But like I said, that option will become available. But yeah, that's going to wrap this video up. Like I said, I am going to make another separate video discussing everything about FanHub, discussing everything about the logos, downloading consoles, PC. There's a lot of questions that I see, and I thought I'd make a separate video just like answering those questions, because you know, it definitely will provide some insight to some people, and definitely make it look a lot better. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Just a quick little update video that has gone on for fucking nearly 8 minutes now or whatever, but hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.